How to add the latest API to your RevMax. Visit our website at www.accessol.com. Click on the Service Center tab and navigate the RevMax Update section and download the RevMax API update driver file. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded zip file, then right-click on it and select Extract All. After the extraction, a folder containing the API files will appear in the same location as the zip file. Open the extracted folder, select and copy all the contents inside. The next step after copying the extracted file is to paste it in the RevMax directory. To do this, open this PC and go to local disk or whichever drive contains the RevMax installation. Navigate the C RevMax RevMax folder, paste the copied files into this folder. When prompted, choose to replace all the files. Once done, open your RevMax Settings app and try generating a Z report to confirm if the API has been successfully added. If this is not resolved, please reach out to us on the following contacts. Call us on 0867700441 and email on callcenter@accessol.com and helpdesk@accessol.com. You may also send a message and screenshot of the error to our WhatsApp number on 0719226705 for assistance.